If you're encountering a project loading error on Scanifly 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Restart the application. Close Scanifly completely and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may cause loading errors. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to issues while loading projects. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Go to the settings of your device and find the Scanifly app. Clear the cache and data to remove any corrupted files that might be causing the error. Step 4. Update the application. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Reinstall the application. If the issue persists, uninstall Scanifly and then reinstall it. This process can help reset the app to its original state and eliminate any persistent errors. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the project loading error on Scanifly 2026. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Scanifly support for further assistance.